Math Wizard. Welcome to this another Mathtastic episode. I am your teacher Ria B, your Mathtastic teacher for today. Always saying that the only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. Are you ready for this another Mathtastic adventure? Then brace yourself and let's get into this world full of wonders. Ready your pen and paper to jot down important information. In your previous lesson, you have learned on how to get the LCM or the least common multiple. Now for your activity, you need to find the LCM of the following numbers. You have 5 seconds to answer each item. Are you ready? Fantastic! Let's begin.
It's quiz time! Number 1, 3 and 6. The correct answer is 6. Number 2, 3 and 4. The correct answer is 12. Number 3 is 5 and 10. The correct answer is 10. Good job, kids!
Yesterday, I bought 2 pizzas. One whole Hawaiian pizza and one whole pepperoni pizza. I gave 1/4 of the Hawaiian pizza to my brother and 2/4 of the pepperoni pizza to my sister. I have realized that I gave 3/4 pizza in all. Now, what kind of fraction is 2/4 and 1/4? That's right, they are similar fraction because they have common denominator. Do you have an idea what I did to determine how much pizza did I give in all? That's right, I added 2/4 and 1/4 to came up with the 3/4. If that's the case, what do you like to find out? How to add similar fractions. For you to learn more about this topic, I have a story for you. Do you want to hear, kids? Let's start.
This is Marian. Marian will be celebrating her birthday next Sunday. Her mother, Aling Maria, wants to surprise her with special celebration and with wonderful decoration. Aling Maria shared her plan to Mang Mario, father of Marian. Mang Mario told Aling Maria that she needs to buy 4/10 meter of pink cloth and 2/10 meter of black cloth. How many meters of cloth she needs to buy in all?
You have learned that a fraction is divided into 2 parts. The number above and the number below divided by a line called fraction bar. The number above is called the numerator and the number below is called the denominator. The numerator denotes how many of the parts we are taking, and the denominator denotes how many of the parts we divided into. In solving this problem, here are the steps. Step 1. Read and understand the problem.
You have to identify what is asked in the problem. It is the total length of cloth she needs to buy. Second, what are the given facts? It is 4/10 meters of pink cloth and 2/10 meter of black cloth.
Step 2 is to plan. In order to solve this problem, we have to apply the rule of the similar fraction.
We have to identify the number sentence. 4/10 plus 2/10 is equals to n.
Step 3 is to solve. For us to solve this problem, let's take these steps.
Step 1. Add the numerators. 4 plus 2 is 6. Step 2. Since they have common denominator, just copy their denominator. Their common denominator is 10. Step 3. Reduce the answers to its simplest form if possible. We have to divide the numerator and the denominator by their common factor. In this case, 2 is their common factor. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 10 divided by 2 is equals to 5. Therefore, Aling Maria needs 3/4 cloth in all.
That's fantastic! Thank you for helping Aling Maria. Here's another example of adding similar fraction. 2/8 plus 4/8.
Step 1 is to add the numerator. 2 plus 4 is equals to 6. Since they have common denominator, we just have to copy their denominator. The denominator is 8. Step 3 is to reduce the answer to its simplest form. 6 divided by 2 is equals to 3. 8 divided by 2 is equals to 4. Our final answer is 3/4.
How do we add fraction and mixed number with same denominator? Let's take this as an example. 2/6 plus 2 and 1/6.
Step 1 is to copy the whole number. In this case, 2 is the whole number. Step 2 is to add the numerators. 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. Step 3 is to copy the denominator. In this case, 6 is the denominator. Step 4 is to reduce answer to its simplest form by dividing the numerator and denominator by their common factor. In this case, 3 is their common factor. Copy first the whole number, which is 2. Then divide the numerator. 3 divided by 3 is equals to 1. 6 divided by 3 is equals to 2. Our final answer is 2 and 1/2.
How do we add mixed number with same denominator? Let's take this as an example. 2 and 1/6 plus 4 and 2/6.
Step 1. Add the whole numbers. 2 plus 4 is equals to 6. Step 2 is to add the numerators. 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. Step 3 is to copy the denominator. In this case, 6 is the denominator. Step 4 is to reduce the answer to its simplest form. Divide the numerator and denominator by their common factor, which is 3. Copy first the whole number, which is 6. Then divide the numerator. 3 divided by 3 is equals to 1. Then divide the denominator. 6 divided by 3 is equals to 2. Our final answer is 6 and 1/2.
What are similar fractions? That's right. Similar fraction are fraction with same denominator. What are mixed numbers? That's right. It composed of one whole number and a fraction. Like for example, 2 and 1/6. How do we add similar fraction? In adding similar fraction, here are the steps. Step 1 is to add the numerator. Step 2 is to copy the denominator. And step 3 is to reduce the answer into its simplest form if possible. How do we add fraction and a mixed number with same denominator? Step 1 is to copy the whole number. Step 2 is to add the numerator. Step 3 is to copy the denominator. And finally, the step 4 is to reduce the answer into its simplest form if possible. How do we add mixed number with same denominator? Here are the steps in adding mixed number with same denominators. Step 1 is to add the whole numbers. Step 2 is to add the numerator. Step 3 is to copy the denominator. And finally, the step 4 is to reduce the answer into its simplest form if possible.
It's quiz time! This is Lina. She is a math wizard and she wants to be the winner in this math quiz bowl. However, she will be given 5 challenges and have 15 seconds to answer each challenge. Can you help her with this? Alright, prepare your pen and paper. Are you ready? Alright, let's begin. Challenge number 1. Cheryl brings popcorn to school. She shared 1 pot of popcorn with Alexis and 2 pot of popcorn with Bethany. How much has she shared in all? The correct answer is 3 quart. Challenge number 2. There are 3/16 of cookies in one box and 1/16 of cookies in another box. How much cookies are there altogether? The correct answer is 2 nights. Challenge number 3. A recipe to make a dessert needs 3/8 of a tablespoon of butter and 2/8 of a tablespoon of salt. How much of the tablespoon is the butter and salt together? The correct answer is 5/8. Challenge number 4. Linda walked 2¼ miles on the first day and 3¼ miles on the next day. How many miles did she walk in all? The correct answer is 5 3/4. Challenge number 5. Jack and John went fishing. Jack caught 3/4 kilogram of fish, while John caught 2/4 kilogram of fish. What is the total weight of the fish they caught? The correct answer is 3 5/4. Challenge completed! Congratulations!
For me to check how far have you learned on this topic, I have here a word problem. Prepare your pen and paper and choose your best answer. You have 5 seconds to answer Are you ready, math wizards? If yes, then what are you waiting for? Let's begin!
Number 1. Lydia ate 4/5 of a pizza. Mark ate 1/5 of a pizza. How much pizza they ate altogether? A. 510, B. 310, C. 520. Ben used exactly 4/8 cup of oil and 3/8 cup of water. How many cups of liquid did Ben use in all? A. 7/8, B. 9/8, C. 10/8. Number 3. Caroline walked 1 1/3 miles on Monday and 1 2/3 miles on Tuesday. How many miles did she walk on both days together? A. 1 3/3, B. 2 3/3, C. 2 3/6. Number 4. It took Nick 5 1/4 of an hour to complete his math homework on Monday, 1 2/4 of an hour on Tuesday. How many hours did he take to complete his homework altogether? A. 6 3/8, B. 6 6/8, C. 6 3/4. Number 5. In a party, Diego and his friends ate 3 1/4 cheese pizza and 2 2/4 pepperoni pizza. How much pizza did they eat in all? A. 3 3/4, B. 3 3/8, C. 3 4/8.
That's fantastic! It's been a wonderful day again with you, math wizards. I hope you have learned something today. Again, this is Teacher Ria, your mathtastic teacher. Always saying that the only way to learn mathematics is to do